Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use the virtual pointer on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, if you want to turn on the floating virtual mouse like pointer for more precise touch control, then keep watching. So for this, you need to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store, search for Galaxy Store. Now from here, you want to go ahead and search for an app called Good Lock. Go ahead and install this app. Once installed, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app itself, you need to go ahead and find a plugin called one-handed operation or one-hand operation. Go ahead and install this app and then open it. Turn this feature on and now go ahead and tap on the left handle. And now go ahead and choose you want straight right, diagonal up or diagonal down. I'll just go ahead and choose the diagonal right. From here, go ahead and choose your virtual touchpad. Go ahead and configure it so you can have the transparency level and the pointer speed. Now go back, press home, and now when you swipe right, you'll see that your touchpad control has been enabled. Go ahead and pull it out, and then go ahead and swipe up, and then go ahead and use this virtual pointer as a mouse for your Samsung S25 Ultra. So this is especially helpful for accessibility or if you're projecting to a larger screen or using DeX. So there you go guys, that is how to use a virtual pointer on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.